In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right MetaTrader 5 app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to get this app, first I'll uninstall it and walk you through a step-by-step process to find it. Now to get the app, you need to go to Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store app if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll open Google Play Store here. And once you have opened it, now you should see a search bar on top or a search icon down below. Just tap on it to activate and then search the app by name. So I'll just type MetaTrader 5 just like that. And one thing you need to ensure is that you type MetaTrader as one word like this and then run the search. Now, as you can see, we have here our app MetaTrader 5. If you open it, it has the tagline Forex, Stocks. Make sure it is from MetaQuotes Software Corporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 1 million reviews. And the average file size is around 21 MBs. And currently this app has been downloaded over 50 million times. So if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. And look at that, this is the logo for the MetaTrader 5 Forex and Stocks app. Now to get it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of MetaTrader 5 and install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, now you can open it from here, or if you go back to your phone and open your apps, now you should have your app straight on your phone. Tap on it, and this is the welcoming interface. So that's how you can install the right MetaTrader 5 on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.